okay, we have some familiar concepts here. And the first familiar concept is they have the geometric mean between two numbers. And I'm hoping you recall that. It says the geometric means between two numbers. And those would be A, there's something here, and B. And the geometric mean between those two numbers, well, geometric, so it's going to be the root of AB. And we've done that before, all right? So the root of AB. What's a geometric mean? It's 4. So I want to show you where this is in the key. It's right over here. This sort of makes sense. And certainly you should know about the geometric mean at this point. I'm going to start to erase this. I'm just reading through it. As I read through, I'm going to write things down, all right? So, I got A and B. There's two numbers. Their geometric mean is 4. So this also makes sense to me. They squared both sides, and they get 16 equals AB. That's pretty reasonable. Now, here comes the tough part. They say the harmonic mean between those two numbers is 16 over 5. All right, so I still have, this over here. And this is the harmonic now. So the harmonic mean is 16/5. Well, I think I have to go back. And someone says, what do you got to go back to? I got to go back to the arithmetic one. So I'm going to write down the arithmetic one. And I'm going to put down A and B now. And I want to go to the arithmetic one. All right, so this is the harmonic. And I need to go back to the arithmetic one. And what do I know now? I know that the arithmetic one would be 1 over A. The next term would be 5/16. And next term would be 1 over B. And this is the arithmetic. Now, someone says, why are you going back to arithmetic when they're talking about harmonic? It makes it easier for me. All right? So what do I know? I know A1 is 1 over A. I know A2 is 5/16. And I know A3 is 1 over B. So I'm going to say, this is making sense to me. So what do I want to do? Well, I know something about arithmetics. And what do I know about this thing? I know that this is the mean of it. So what's that mean? It means 1 over A plus 1 over B divided by 2. I'm going to multiply by half to make it simpler. Is 5/16. Right. Now my goal is to figure out what the A and the B is. And that could be difficult, but I'm looking at it. I have this 1 over A plus 1 over B is equal to 5/8. All right? All we're doing is walking forward. As I do that, I want to point out this is AB equals A plus B now. All right? So I realized, people looking at that, I don't know where this is going. I got to look back at what I've written down. Let me get this over here. And I think I know what AB is. So I'll write that down. So 5/8, let me write that down for you. We're doing this over here now. 5/8 is equal to, well, AB is 16, right? And now I got troubles. I got 2 letters on top, and I really should only have 1 letter. So what I'm going to do is take this equation here and solve for either A or B. And that's entirely up to you. So I'm going to say A. And what's B in terms of A? Well, that would be what? 16 divided by A. I'm going to push this up a little tiny bit, and I got to do some work over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply both sides by 16. And what would you get? 10 equals A plus 16 over A. And again, I think I can figure out what A is by multiplying both sides by A now, getting rid of the fraction. So I would get 10A equals A squared, it's quadratic now, plus 16. I'm going to write down this, A squared, I'm going to use the zero product rule, minus 10A plus 16 equals 0. All right, I'm going to continue to factor it. 0 equals A, and I'm going to say, what would that give me? I'm going to say minus 2 minus 8. But whatever I say, I'm going to check it. That gives you A squared. Yeah, it works beautifully. So A could be 2, or A could be 8. Now someone says, how are you going to get the B? Well, it's fairly simple. If A is 2, I got that up here, B would have to be 8. If A is 8, B would have to be 2. all right? So now we know the A and the B. So what are the two numbers? The two numbers are 8 and 2. 8 and 2. That's what they asked for. That's what we're giving them. 8 and 2 are the two numbers, all right? So let's look at the key and see if we got that. It says equation 2 unknown, solution to 8. Yeah, they got that part over here. See that? So the two numbers are 2 and 8. All right, we got it. We're done. Thank you.